In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for your family. We'll go through the steps together to set up a shared family calendar that will become your go-to tool for keeping everyone informed and organized. All you need is a web browser and a few minutes of your time. Let's start by opening up Google Calendar. If you haven't done this before, just head over to calendar.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, which is quite user-friendly and easy to navigate. It's important to feel comfortable with it as it will be a regular part of your family coordination. The next step is to set up a new calendar specifically for your family. On the left-hand side, you'll see the option Other Calendars. Click on it and a menu will appear. From there, select Create New Calendar. This will take you to a page where you can name your calendar. In this case, go ahead and call it something straightforward like Family Calendar and then click on Create. This will keep all your family events organized in one convenient location. Now, with the family calendar created, we need to ensure everyone in the family can access it. Still within Google Calendar, open the new family calendar settings. You'll find an option labeled Share with Specific People. Click on that and you'll be able to add your family members by entering their Gmail addresses. There's also a permissions section here. It's essential to decide how much control each member has over the calendar. For seamless collaboration, you might want to allow them to make changes to events. Once you've added each person and set their permissions, click Send to share the calendar with them. With your family members added, it's time to start populating your calendar with events. To do this, look for the Create button on the top left of your screen. Clicking on it will bring up a new event page. One key detail here is to ensure that you select your family calendar from the drop-down menu that lists all your calendars. This way, the event is visible to everyone you've shared it with. Fill in the necessary details such as the event's title, time, and any other pertinent information, then click Save. There you have it. With these simple steps, you have now created a shared space where your family can coordinate events, plan outings, or even share reminders. It's a fantastic tool to keep every family member in the loop and reduce scheduling conflicts. Remember, consistency is key. Encourage your family to regularly check and update the calendar, and soon enough it will become an indispensable part of your family's organization system. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!